Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm gonna see now if my English wanna English today. So today I wanna show you one of our plastic livestock equipment that we are manufacturing and selling. So here we have the plastic bale ring. So the specific one that is standing here is the cattle bale ring. So we also make the bale rings for the small livestock like your sheep and goats and all of that. So what is nice about the plastic, if you haven't worked with them before, is that they are cheaper than steel. They don't rust. They are UV treated. You don't have to do any maintenance like painting and all of that stuff. And they're also light to move around. And specifically, like, you maybe have the question about with plastic, is it strong enough? This bale rings has been more than 8 years in the market now, and we haven't had any issues before. So you can also see here, I can step on it, jump on it. You can see the thickness of the lining material there. It's about an 8mm thickness, so it's very strong. So this specific bell rings, like the cattle one, we are selling at 2,400 Rand each ex-VAT. And then the ones for the small livestock like your sheep and your goats, that one is going for 1,100 Rand each ex-VAT. And then we do delivery nationwide. The factory is in Vrede in the Free State. And what you can do is you can send me a message on my number 064-523-4671, and I'll also leave it in the description. And you can just send me a message, then I can send you a full catalog and price list and more images of all of our products. And you can just send me a pin drop, then I can give you a quotation on all of the items you need. And then I hope you have a wonderful day further and a wonderful weekend ahead. Thank you. Bye.